morning, students. Today we will discuss how we can write any number in abacus. Okay, so how to represent any number on abacus I already discussed, right? So just today I will remind you how we can represent the numbers and then we'll do the questions. Okay, so for example, 199, this one you have to represent it on the abacus. Okay, and we know that abacus, it look like this. Now this one is ones, tens and hundred. Sorry, this will be tens and this will be 100, right? So now 199, it means what? If I expand this value, it will look like 100 plus 90 plus 9, right? In figures we can write like this, right? And in words, okay, if I write this value, okay, according to the place value, then 1 stands where? In 100 place. Then 9 stands where? In tens place. And one more 9 stands where? In ones place. Okay, so we'll place the value according to the place value. Okay, so for example here, first of all we'll place this one 9. So this 9, as it stands in ones place, so we'll represent this 9 here. Okay, and how we can represent this 9? By drawing 9 small circles. Okay, so now we'll draw the circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now let's come to this number. Again 9 is there and the place of this 9 is what? Tens place. So we'll again draw 9 small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? Let's move to the next number, that is 1. So 1, it stands in 100 place, right? So we'll draw only one circle. Okay, so like this only we have to show, we have to represent the numbers, okay, on the abacus. Okay, first of all you have to identify the place value and then you have to draw the values on the abacus. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Now open page 188, exercise 2. Here we have to represent the values. So see the first one. Okay, so the first one we have to write the numbers. Okay, values, it is already there, it is already drawn. Okay, we have to count it and we have to find out the number. Okay, so we'll start counting from the ones place. So in ones place 4 circles are there, 4 small circles are there, so we'll write here 4. Now in tens place, how many circles are there? 3, so we'll write 3 here. Now in 100 place, how many circles are there? 5, so we'll write 5 here. Okay, so like this only you have to do these two, B and C, and you have to do this one in your classwork copy. Okay, okay, this one is very easy. Show the number on the abacus. So we have to show the number on the abacus. See the first one, how we can show this one. So see, in ones place 4 is there, so that means what? We will draw 4 small circles. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Now here 2 is there, so we'll draw two circles, 1, 2, right? Here you just see 5 is there, so we'll draw 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, like this only you have to do this one. So B and C, these two also you have to do in your classwork copy. Okay, I hope you have understood how to represent any number on the abacus. Okay.